All right, so we're in SEMrush right now. And to be able to get here, you need to create an account, go to SEMrush, log in, and then go to the left right here and search for local. That's where we're going to be able to make the magic happen. So under local, as you can see, you have the local dashboard, and which is also where we add our business. So I'm going to select that, and you'll notice to the top right here, it says add new location. If your location isn't in here, all you have to do is simply go to add new location and type in your location, and it'll import all the data there about your business to be able to start giving you insights that are very helpful. But in this instance, I've already done that. And I will take you to where you can just create your post with AI and automatically schedule it. And that's right here under posts with AI, as you could see, next to insights of GBP. Now, once you select posts with AI, you have the opportunity to put your content here. If you have your content already created, that's awesome. You could put it in there and schedule it. If you don't, you have the opportunity to use the AI writer. And that's what we're going to do here. Once you select the AI writer, you see it opens up this pop-up box that asks for your topic, which is also optional. Talk about automating the process. Now, if you are just on your way, you don't have time, you just need to generate a post, you got to go to a meeting. To start creating all that is a lot of work, right? Well, guess what? You can simply generate posts. And because the tool is aware of what you do, it'll create a post based on that. So you see here, it says, elevate your business with BizCrown Media's digital marketing services. Are you looking to take your business to the next level online? Look no further. At BizCrown Media, we specialize in digital marketing strategies that drive real results from SEO to social media management. We've got you covered. Don't wait any longer to boost your online presence and reach more customers. Contact us today for a free consultation and let us help you grow your business. Your success is just a click away. Take action now. Let BizCrown Media help your business soar above the competition. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your online presence. Contact us today. Now, I just wanted to read that all out so you could see how intuitive this is.